Hello, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we are learning to multiply algebraic terms. So we have to remember these two rules before we start multiplying the algebraic expressions. Number one is multiply the coefficient. Coefficients are the number in front of the or before the variables. Variables are x, y or the letters. Number second is multiply the variable x. All letters are variable. In this case, x is a variable. So by adding their exponent are the power. When we multiply the variable, if the variables are same, we add their power. If they are different, we write them as it is. Okay, so let's start with question number 1. I can see I will multiply the coefficient. Rule number 1 here. Multiply the coefficients. I'm going to multiply this 3 and 2. Negative 3 times negative 2, which is 6. It is 6. And x are the variable. It will be x. Because the bases are same, x and x, in this case x and x is base because they raise to the power. Over here invisible power 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So 6x cube is the answer. Over here 4 and 3 coefficient. Rule number 1. So we multiply them first, which is 12. A and a square. Over here invisible 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. I will add the powers. So 12a cube. Answer. Next I have 5 and there is coefficient 1. Invisible 1. So 5 times 1 is 5. Now I have got two variables. So I have two variables, a and y. So I will just write a first. So a to the power 1, invisible 1 here. So a to the power 2. 1 plus 1 is 2. And y1, which is invisible 1, and y2, which is y3, because 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm going to add the powers. Answer. In this question, I have got 2 coefficient, 10 coefficient, invisible 1. Okay. So 10 times 2 is 20. X and x, the bases are same here. So I will add their powers. This is also x here, same. So 2 plus 3 plus 1, which is 6. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So x to the power 6 and y as it is. In the next one here, I have got 2 over 3 times negative 3. So 2 over 3 times negative 3, which is negative 2 times 3 is negative 6 over 3, and p times p square. Same basis. I'm going to add the powers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. So negative 6 over 3 p cube. I can simplify this. 6 over 3 means negative 2 p cube. This is the answer. In the next question, I have coefficients here. 1 coefficient 1 here, and invisible 1 here. So 3 times 1 times 1, which is 3. X and x, they are the same basis. So when I multiply, I simply add their powers. 1, this is invisible 1, 1 plus 2 plus 1, which is 4, and y as it is. This is answer. So here I have coefficients 3, 2 and 4. 4 is just the number. So 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is 24. So that's 24. X and X. This is power 1 here, invisible power 1. And this is 2 plus 1. Same basis, I'm going to add their power. So that's x cube. Answer. In this question, I have a times a cube times 2. There is only number 2 over here, invisible 1, invisible 1. So 2 times 1 times negative 1 is negative 2. Negative 2. And this is basis same. Letters, I have got letter a and a cube. Their bases are same. I'm going to add the powers, which is a1 invisible. And this is 1 plus 3 is 4. So this is answer. Oops. I'm going to fix this one first. Now over here, I have got coefficient this 2, 3 and just 4 by itself. So 4 times 2 is 4 times 3 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 24 and B same. So I'm going to add their powers. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Over here, this is 3, invisible 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. I will multiply all the coefficient first, which is 6. Z. All bases same. I'm going to add their power because I'm multiplying 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1 is 4. 6Z4. Over here, I have base coefficient to 4, 2 and invisible 1. When I multiply 4, 2 and 1, I will get 8. A and A, they are same bases. I just add their powers 1 and 1 and B as it is. This is answer. In this question, I have 7, negative 2 and 3. These are coefficient. I will multiply first. 3 times 2 is 6. 6 times 7 is 42. And this is negative as well. So it would be negative 42a. A2 here, a square and a1. So that's a cube. B to the power 1 here and 3 here, which is b4. So this is the answer. This one is tricky. I can see that 5a plus 2a times 7a square. These two terms are multiplying. These two terms are multiplying again, and this is plus 3. So I will simplify first by multiplying them. So plus 7 times 2 is 14. A to the power 1 and 2. Same basis, I'm going to add their powers. Negative 2 times 4, which is 8. A, there is no other term similar to A, so this is, and B to the power, this is 1 and this is 4, B is 5 plus 3A. Now I can simplify the like terms. I can see that this 3a and 5a are like term. So 3a and 5a, I will just add their coefficient. So which is 8a plus 14a cube minus 8ab 5. This was tricky, but it is easy if you follow the rule. This is here 5 times negative 2, which is negative 10. I multiply the coefficient. Then h square and h, which is h cube, powers same basis, add the power. K, 1 here, 2 here and k3. This is the answer. I hope you understand how to multiply the expression. In my next lesson, I'm going to solve few more questions based on multiplication. Till my next lesson, bye bye.